Happy new month, everybody. Welcome to the month of June. Wow, the year is really flying. I really hope that you're also flying higher and higher every month. Today's message was very timely, very timely, bearing in mind the fact that we're approaching almost the halfway point of this year. Today's message was on point. It's what we needed to hear, it's what I needed to hear, and it's necessary for our progress. And I thank God. I thank God for the message. I thank God for using the pastor to minister this word. And I pray that we'll also put it to work, because it's not just enough to hear it. It's more important to put it to work. Today, we're encouraged to develop ourselves. Nobody can develop me for me. In the same way, nobody can take away my self-development from me. Nobody can develop you for you. In the same way, nobody can take your self-development from you. They can take your house from you. They can take your car. They can take your family. They can take anything, your possessions, but they can't take what you've absorbed into your spirit, what you've grown and you've meditated on, and what has been absorbed into your spirit, man. Wow. In the same way, this race that we're in called life, it's an individual race. Life is an individual test. At the end of the day, we might be in families, we might be in friendship groups, we might be in work teams, but at the end of the day, our work is going to be assessed individually. God is going to assess and reward us accordingly as individuals, as our individual work has been. So we can't ride on anybody else's shoulders or ride on anybody else's work. We have to mind our own business, do our own business, and if necessary, start your own business. When that statement was made, start your own business, suddenly God began to explain something. Wow, I've never heard this concept taught like this before. With the way God explained it to me. God said there are too many people who are fighting for a piece of somebody else's cake that somebody else baked. In other words, there are too many employees fighting for one cake. As a result, the piece that everyone gets is only small. There are too many people fighting for too few jobs. But then they're still complaining that, I'm not paid well, I'm not challenged, this is this is not fair, this is that. Let that annoyance challenge you to start your own. Bake your own cake. Start your own business. There's nothing stopping you. The same business that you're applying for was started by somebody. So, and that person took a risk. So, of course, it's their cake at the end of the day. It's their cake. So they're going to cut the major portion, and whatever's remaining will be shared among everybody else. But if you're not happy with the portion you've got, bake your own cake. Bake your own cake. Start your own business. Start your own initiative. If you're not happy with your hours, if you want to be working different hours, start your own business and, organize and schedule how you're going to work. Create the kind of life you want to live. There's nothing stopping you. You have nothing to lose. You have absolutely nothing to lose. And that's my word for today. It's a short message, but that's it. You have nothing to lose. If necessary, start your business, do your business, and mind your business. Each of us have been given ideas from God. Each of us have been created for a reason. Do what you've been created to do. And that's where you'll get the most fulfillment. Don't be out there in the rat race competing with, yes, at a certain time you might need to be under somebody. But at a certain time you might have outgrown that position. And it's time for you to move on. So start your business, do your business, mind your business. See you at the top. God bless you. Amen.